Good day, campers. Today is a little upgrade project on our NorCold 2118 four-door RV refrigerator. These refrigerators use this plastic door latch that keeps the door closed when you travel and when you're parked and all of that. Ours is about 6 years old. The problem I'm having is inside here. It uses little plastic standoffs and these little short screws. And over time, that plastic gets brittle. As you can see, there's plastic on those threads. So these plastic standoffs are starting to fall apart. So what I have done is I've taken a 7/64 drill bit, drilled through the standoff and into the door, and then installing a 1-inch number 10 screw. I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and show you what's inside, and then we'll do the upgrade. Okay, so these are the standoffs that I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is use my drill and just drill all the way through into the door. And then we'll reassemble this. All right, so now I've reassembled the latch. Installing these screws do go in tight. I'm doing that so that it's strong. You could do a slightly larger drill if you're more comfortable with that. Now, once you know how this is inside, there's really no reason to take this door latch apart. You can actually take out one screw, drill it, put in the long screw, take out the other short screw, drill it, and put in your other long screw, and you don't have to actually disassemble the latch. And that's all there is to this mod. It'll save you from super gluing those standoffs. And as always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.